Tonight, a prestigious honor for a woman whose 3 young daughters were killed by their father nearly 2 decades ago.
Jessica Lenahan spent the last 19 years pushing to change the way police enforce protection orders. And tonight, she and her attorney were named Champions of Change by CU Center on Domestic Violence.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez spoke to Lenahan about her long fight for justice. Lance?
Well, I can tell you that Jessica Lenahan, formerly Gonzalez, is a very strong woman, but there's not a day that goes by that she doesn't think about her beloved daughters. And she's working to make sure that other parents, mainly moms, don't have to go through what she did.
I don't get to watch them be married. I don't get to watch them have babies. I don't get to watch them do anything.
Jessica Lenahan says her life changed dramatically the day Rebecca, Catherine, and Leslie's bodies were found inside this bullet-riddled pickup truck outside Castle Rock PD in June 1999. The girls' dad, Simon Gonzalez, violated a restraining order and kidnapped them from their own front yard.
I shouldn't have had to describe my children and the vehicle and the situation for 10 hours over and over and over again just to be called ridiculous.
Lenahan says police wouldn't enforce the restraining order against Gonzalez. She eventually sued the department. The case went all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, which ruled that enforcing restraining orders was not mandatory in Colorado. She set out to change that.
And this has become my career, and it is the better part of my life to make sure that human life is saved.
Lenahan's story was featured in a documentary called Home Truth. She and attorney Carrie Bettinger Lopez took their case to the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights, which ruled that the U.S. violated Lenahan's rights.
I think that's amazing.
The head of CU Center on Domestic Violence learned today that Lenahan's victory at the commission is being used in 35 other countries.
But I didn't realize how far-reaching her work was. So I'm astounded and thrilled that she's been able to have that kind of impact for so many people across the world.
What's next for Jessica?
The most important thing would be that I would fight for my Native American sisters and brothers that are incarcerated to be able to pray and sweat in every state, every county.
And she's not giving up the fight for other parents. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.
What an impact.